Morning fellas, Ben back again with another video. This time another very important video. This is about batteries. I don't really know if people in the West would have heard of this particular brand, but this is one of the finest battery makers in India, Amaron. I would say without a doubt that this battery is superior to all the other batteries from the manufacturers that I've used over time. And my experience with Amaron is as good as 15 years. So 15 years of using Amaron on my motorcycles and my cars, and I know from experience that these things are absolutely trouble-free batteries. Let's just get into it. What is this? This is a 12 volt 8 amps battery instead of a 9 amps battery, which I would have preferred. This is a 12 volt 8 amps battery. 21 this year, manufactured this year, 12 volt and 8 amps. So if you guys can get a 12 volt and 9 amps, nothing like it, but what I have with me is a 12 volt and 8 amps. And yeah, this is the model number APBTZ9R. What these fellows, the retailers, use as a code to identify the battery is the last 3 digits, Z9. Z9R is the particular model. So you can close your eyes and trust me with this. You can definitely go get yourselves this. If the moment you have problems with your battery, you have issues with your battery, just dump it and go get yourself this fella, and this fella will last for as long as it is supposed to last. 3 years is the minimum time that this will be on your motorcycle. Anything more is the way you ride, the way you maintain, the way you, basically the understanding of your motorcycle. How well do you understand your motorcycle? So yep, APBTZ9R is the model, and that's the Amaron Pro Rider. Okay, so first things first. Pop the seat. There you go. And have all the wires sorted. So these fellas, positive terminal. All these fellas, oh wow, now I've got some work cut out for me. Yeah, these fellas all positive and these fellas all negative. We do have some fellas hiding here. So we'll pull these fellas out. All these fellas negative terminal and all these fellas positive terminal. Pop the side case. And there you go. Move this out of the way. Yeah, so that's the whole of it. I have to just shove the battery into this. A bit of a fiddling around required for you to, it's a tight fit, and to shove the battery in is just a little bit of work. Not the end of the world, a little bit of work. Let me repeat it again. So the way the battery comes out is you pull this side out first and then pull it out like that. So you push this side out and then pull it out like that. And the way it goes in is the opposite of it. You slowly, gently push this side in and then start shoving this side out. So the way it comes out is positive terminal out, pull it out. The way it goes in is positive terminal in, then negative terminal in. You need a bit of a nice thrust to get it in. And yep, so that's the battery seated. Now let me connect all my wires and then get back to you guys. Okay, but just another point before that. What you guys need to understand is when you pull the battery out, disconnect everything in the negative terminal first and then the positive terminal, and only then you pull the battery out. When you put back things together, go the other way around. Do the positive terminal first, put everything here together, then put everything here together. Negative terminal second. I'm repeating this. When you remove remove everything here first, then second remove all the attachments on the positive terminal, pull the battery out. When you go back in, do the positive terminal first and then the negative terminal. So that's all the wires in the positive terminal connected. Yeah, and the boot back on. Now moving on to the negative terminal. Okay, so that's everything back together in the negative terminal as well. Positive terminal wires connected, negative terminals wires connected, and all that is left to do. Kindly do not mistake this red tape to be the positive terminal. I have just kind of done a red tape on this, is because I'm definitely going to be working on this and kind of doing a heat shrink tape on that after some time, or I'll also use electrical tape, black tape. I don't have it with me right now, so this is just a passive job. I got rid of the old electrical tape and gave it a new coat of new tape. So do not mistake the red color for the positive terminal. All the things done. Now to go in with a bit of a battery terminal grease. Try and make everything corrosion free, and yeah, there you go. The boot, to whatever extent you can, is because of a lot of wires there, and some grease for the positive terminals too. Yep, the things come back on, all good. A quick morning start would be perfect. All good. Brand new battery, so I don't have to worry about anything. Okay, so that's the bracket back on. 110mm bolt and a latch. Pretty easy job, so I did not want to make a video. I did not cover it, so just a simple quick hook onto that side and then put the bolt back on here. That's about it. Easy peasy. Now last part of the job is to have this side cover go back on. There you go, job done for the day. Battery replacement, as easy as that. More important is to get the right battery so that you have absolutely no issues while you're on the go. Just the right amount, not too much, not too less, and you will not crack your plastics. Yeah, so all is well that ends well. So that's about it. The motorcycle starts without any problems, all good. And yeah, so if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share these videos with as many fellows as you can, because these videos will definitely help a lot of fellow Himalayan owners, riders, bikers. So yeah, do share these videos and kindly support the channel, and you will definitely have me put out a lot more of maintenance related videos, troubleshooting, riding, off-road riding and all that. A big trip is coming up. Finally decided to travel to a really far off destination, and I will definitely keep you guys posted on the developments. But until then, this is Ben signing out for now. Ciao.